Hey everyone, Tyson here with Rescue Pro Clean. We are working on a 3-bedroom living room cleanup. I'll flip you guys around and you guys can take a look at the befores. Lots of stainage through here, lots of dirt, lots of little things in the way. That'll be alright. We can move those things around. Rocking and rolling on all of that. So going to kind of walk you through what it is that we're going to do. Obviously the first thing is that we are going to come through and clean up all of these large items, things that we can't just vacuum up. Once we get done with that, I'll probably come through and hit it with the multi-wash. The multi-wash basically will pull up anything that's really kind of deep, any of like these kind of weird like styrofoamy little thingies and that sort of idea. Once that's done, I'll come back through, vacuum. Once the vacuuming's done, then we will apply our solution and we'll end up using the Koblenz 13 back here, and we'll be doing a whole bunch of pads to be able to extract everything out. And after all of that's said and done, then we will do a raking. One of the things for us is that you'll notice these are my shoes. These are my work shoes. And every single time, even on a house like this that's clearly a move out, we will go above and beyond to make sure that we don't bring in anything else extra from the outside. So this is just a little update. No actual cleaning has been done yet, just vacuuming. And this is what we got. 5-gallon bucket, nearly full. Here are the after pictures. I was a little bit too tired to actually video all of this guy. But quite literally, my vacuum broke on doing this job.